how many people should be hired. I will give you the example of how to determine how many people should we hire here. Firstly, we have to know some information such as how many desired product, total time, and it is the assumption of the number of shifts in a day, working day. It is the expected performance is under 75%. And after we have all of this information here, we will calculate the effective hours. So we have 200 hours per 1000 unit. We're dividing 150 hours with the performance of the expected in this operation. And then, because we are desiring to produce 2,500 product per day, so we have to convert this one because it's still in 1,000 unit. Now we will have 500 hours for 2,500 product per day. So how many people should be hired? It's very easy that we have to hire about 63 people by dividing 500 hours with the working day 8 hours per shift. It will be 63 people. Now let me give you the more complicated exercise. That many companies here actually that they are multi-product company. It means that they produce more than one product in a plant. In this case, a company produces 3 kinds of product. There is a product A, product B, and product C. The number of hours per 1000 units is 150, 95, and 450. Number of units needed per day is 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000. So the first thing we have to calculate the hours at 100%. For the product 100 at hours at 100%, it will be 150. Why? Because it has been in 1,000 unit. It's same. But for the second product, there is for product B, we can calculate it by using we will have our at 100% is about 142,5. And for the product C, so the hours at 100% is 900 hours, and the actual percentage that it will come from the manager of the plant production, and I will give the information here. The hours at actual percentage is, so actually actual percentage here is a given information, maybe an exercise, and it also can be obtained by the performance, your actual performance, by measuring your actual performance or based on the historical data. And then the actual hours needed, it will be okay. Now we have calculated all of the actual hours needed from the product A to product C. So you have to 214,3, 167 for product C, B, and then 750 for the product C. how to calculate this one is by using this one, and we have to sum all of these and we will get this. So the total actual hours needed is 1131.95. So how many people should be hired? We have to divide it directly with the 8, where 8 is 8 hours per employee for the working days, and it will be 141.5, or we have to hire by 142 people to solve to finish and to meet the required needed per day. Thank you.